Okay guys, so this is a full-on voiceover video. I'm gonna start with applying my concealer under my eyes. I do 3 little dots, sometimes more, and then I'm just gonna blend that in. And this is the Makeup Forever Velvet Concealer. It's been my go-to and my fave lately. So here my concealer is all blended in and ready to go, and I'm gonna go ahead and start with some eyeliner. It's in a burgundy brownish color, and I'm just gonna do little cat eye wings. So here I'm going in with a light dash of blush, that flush of color. It's a coral orange, and I'm going under my eyebrows and cleaning them up with my concealer. And I didn't even fill in my eyebrows. Those are just my natural eyebrows. I'm cleaning them up. And I've also put a highlight on my forehead just to prevent any crazy oiliness, and also to, of course, highlight and brighten the look. Now I'm blending everything in, blending away, and making sure it's just all natural looking and blended in. So here I'm adding my bronzer on the sides of my cheekbones to give it a nice contour. It's the deep brown mocha color from the Hulu by Benefit line. And here I'm just kind of feeling myself a little bit. Don't mind me, but in the meantime, definitely turn on your notifications if you want to know when I've posted a new video on my channel. Thanks. This lip gloss is only sample size, but it's from the company Becca Cosmetics in this really peachy color. I forgot what the official name of it is, but it's really pretty. So this is the palette that I'm going to be using for my concealer, under eye, as well as forehead and chin. And I just like it because it's lightweight, but yet it gives like a good finish. And then this is the eyeshadow palette. I'm going to be using that one color called Beauty, and kind of like reddish purple. So the way I apply it is, I don't like to do too much or overdo it, but just a pretty lightweight amount of this powdered concealer so that it stays matte, because I can get oily sometimes. And we're gonna let the concealer sit for 3 minutes to really mattify, then just blend it all in. So in the meantime, I think I read a little bit of something or did something productive, but yeah, 3 minutes. Yeah, so that's it. Everything's blended out and the look has come to a finish. So we've got our foundation, the light powder, bronzer on the side, but we didn't overdo it because I have overdone it in the past. Some coral blush, not too much, and then we did go back in on the eyeshadow and put in that reddish purple in the color Beauty. on the eyeshadow for a nice nude, perfect autumn look. And this is our full autumn fall makeup look. Give feedback. It's a great neutral. We didn't overdo it with the bronzer, and thank you for watching.